Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Gerel Matta. Today we're going to be doing a tutorial in the Boxycharm unboxing. Of course, I took a peek as well as I have been following their story on Instagram just because I actually want to know exactly what we are getting, just because I can't wait and I love those sneak peeks that they have. So it is very entertaining and I love it. So yeah, before we get into the look, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And without further ado, let's get on to the video. So the theme for the box is Life of a Party, and this is the little cardboard that gives you all the information that comes in the box. So the first thing that I actually see here is this eye mask, and these are by the brand Wonder. So this under eye mask is supposed to brighten, hydrate, and reduce the appearance of dark circles. And these ones retail for $13. So, and you're supposed to leave it in for 15 minutes. So that feels really, really nice and hydrated. Of course, you're not going to see any huge difference with one use. So we do get 3 masks in total in this box. So the next product in the box that I want to use is this palette right here by Laura Lee Los Angeles. And this is called the Party Animal. And look at these colors. They are just so beautiful. So I already primed my eyes and I already did my brow, and I did it while I had the mask on just so I can get things going. I will link all the products that I use down below just in case you are interested. So this palette retails for $19. They are pretty much the same size as a Makeup Geek eyeshadow as well as a MAC eyeshadow, so you can have an idea of how much product you actually get. I'm going to start with this orangey shade right here on a Sigma E35 brush. So I'm going to really focus this on the crease. So I know this palette is not for everybody, and don't worry, I do have other videos coming up with more neutral looks, so just in case you are interested in those kind of looks, at least you know that they are coming. They will be underway. They're definitely coming, guys, don't worry. Now that the kids are actually back to school, I'm super excited because I get to go back to my regular schedule that I'm used to, which is super cool because I do miss filming so much, and I have so many new products that I purchased and I haven't been able to use it in a video. So as you can see, I'm actually putting this shade on the outer part of my eye as well as working it into the crease, not going all the way in, just going a third of the way. So just remember not to put a lot of pressure, especially when you are going in, and just blend it in little circles. So while you are applying the color, you are also blending it. Okay, with a smaller brush, this one is the Sigma E25. I'm going to go into the pink one. It does have a little bit more of a kickback compared to the orange one. And that one, I'm just going to dab it into the outer corner and trying to blend it to the orange one. And because this is a smaller blending brush, you can actually get into your crease really, really nicely. And this one, I'm actually going to just blend it right here in the inner part of our crease. Okay, so I'm going to go into this blue shade right here, and I'm going to just deepen in the outer corner. So this is something that you should be having right now. And now I'm going to just add a little bit of concealer in the inner part of my eye, and I'm going to be adding this shade right here, which is called It's a Party. So the next product that I have here is these beautiful lashes by Hassel Lashes, and they are going to be from $9 to $12. They are cruelty free, and these are in the styles Demure Light. So let me try. Yeah, they're gonna be a little bit too long for me. So I did my base, my concealer, and powder. So let's go ahead and finish the lower lashes. Okay, so I'm going to go into back to the orange shade, and I'm going to grab it in a small detail brush. I'm really just concentrating it on the outer part. Going halfway. I'm going to grab a little bit of the pink, the same brush. I'm just going to place it right in the middle. And just to deepen out the outer corner, I'm going to go back to the blue. So I did apply the purple before I actually applied the blue to the outer corner, but unfortunately it wasn't sticking to it. It was just blending away to nothing, and I was not able to work with that shade. But everything else is actually working okay. You do have to actually just build up the colors. That's what I had to do. So just to giving you the heads up. Now I'm just cleaning up the same brush, and I'm going to go back to It's a Party, and I'm just going to focus that shade on the very inner corner. So in order for you to get the best payoff, you actually have to dab the color into place, because if you were to sweep it, it just sweeps away. And I'm just going to grab on the orange again. I'm just going to run it through all the shades. So I'm going to go into the Lumi Bronzed by L'Oreal. So for blush, I'm going to be using this one by Clinique, which is called Peach Pop. Just a little bit, because we have so much going on in the eyes already. And for highlighter, I'm going to be using this one by Laura Geller, and this one is in the shade Gilded Honey. So I'm also going to use the highlighter just to highlight the inner corner of my eye. And I'm setting everything in place. I'm going to be using the NYX Nude Suede Shoes. There's 3 more products in the box that I actually received. So just to finish up the look, this one is the one that I'm going to be putting on my lips. And this one is a Liquid Metal by Smashbox, and is in the shade Petal Metal, which I already have. So I'm actually going to put this one on the side just so I can give it away for a giveaway that I am going to be having soon on my Instagram. So just in case you don't follow me, go ahead and follow me on my Instagram, which is Makeup by Gerel. All the link for all of my social medias are down below. So just in case you are interested in following me, I will be doing a giveaway soon. So go ahead and follow me. So yeah, this one aside. So this is the one that I actually bought myself. And this is what it looks like. So it's very metal liquid. So I know it's not for everybody, but I did actually enjoy this one very, very much. So it might actually not go with this look just because this look is already so bold. So I know this shade is like out there, but I think this shade is so beautiful, especially if you have like neutral eyes and like bronzy kind of look. With this lip, it's like amazing. I love it so much. But this is the final look. So the next product that I received from the box is this one by Bang Beauty, and this one is a gel pot. It's in the color chocolate, so it's a gel liner. I will be using it soon, maybe in the next tutorial. I don't really go for like brown eyeliner. If I'm going to be doing something like wing liner, is going to be definitely a black liner or a colorful liner, but I never really wear brown, so that is the reason why I did not use it today. The next product that I'm really excited to actually use is this one by NCLA. This is a treatment for your nails, so it's a little oil, and it actually comes with a little dropper, so it gives you all exactly what you need for your nails, which is really, really good. So I do like the fact that it's actually a nail care, because I do like to take care of my nails myself. So this is going to be something that I'm going to be using a lot. So yeah, that's it for the box. So yeah, that's all the products that I got on my Boxycharm. I hope that you enjoyed the tutorial. Remember that Boxycharm, it is a subscription services for $21, and if you are interested in signing up, you can use my link. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and I will see you next time. Bye. My earrings, they have been messing me up the whole entire video.